This is a 1960s villa and it's a renovation project. Now, new plots for new builds are increasingly difficult to find because of the very tight planning restrictions. So buying an old villa for reformation really is a serious alternative for a lot of people. The attractions of this villa, well, we're right on the doorstep of Marbella, stone's throw from the beach, and the views here are spectacular. Now, it's June 2018. Today that I'm doing this video, there's a mist, so I can't show you the spectacular views. And we're going to see over the next few months what can be done. Now, I would describe this not actually as a comprehensive renovation, more of a total modernization of the layout. So we're opening everything up to make a open plan, living, kitchen, dining area, and you're going to be able to walk out easily onto the terrace and look at those fabulous views. The vision that our clients here, they have at least told us that some of their inspiration here is Finca Cortesan and Marbella Club Hotel. So let's see what happens, what we can do over the forthcoming months to make this to make their vision come true. So as we come in through the front door, you can see that we have opened up the whole space. Okay, all these internal walls have come down. Those are the French windows to the garden, 2 sets. And you can see now, looking over there to the back of the house, the internal walls have come out. That tiled wall is where the kitchen used to be. And over here you can see bathrooms and other rooms that have come out. One of the things about this property that we found was that being a 1960s construction, there was no floor slab. So as part of the renovation, we're putting in the floor slab, and of course, apart from the internal layout all changing, new windows, new doors, comprehensive rewiring, replumbing. And as I pan round now back to the front door, you can see what the internal layout looks like now. We are a few weeks into the renovation.